Hey guys, got Level here, and today we're going to be talking about the best free resources online for live streamers just like you. Alright, what do you mean by resources? Basically what I mean is, where can you find assets for your live stream? It can be overlays, it can be panels, it can be anything, it can be alerts, customizable alerts. Basically, it's everything that you can get for free. Most of it is for free, where you do not have to contract a graphic designer, for example. If you're just starting out, or you just don't have the money, or you don't feel like investing yet because you don't know where your stream is going to be, those are the best options for you. And I know that I work as a freelance graphic designer myself, but sometimes if you just want something simple and fast and you don't have the budget for it, it's best to go on those websites. So well, without further ado, let's just get right into it. So the number one website for free resources, but not only free resources, has to be Nerd or Die. Honestly, if you've been going around twitch.tv or YouTube, you've probably seen some design from Nerd or Die. So for a lot of veterans, this isn't news, but if you're just new, just know that Nerd or Die, they have the best stuff out there. Not only they have free resources, but they also have overlay creators. They have very customizable products, which is so awesome. If I go to resources, to free resources, you have so many things that you can use in your live stream: social media pop-ups, alerts, overlays, just everything. Nerd or Die has probably like the best quality products out there, but also the most versatility. I have interacted with the owner of Nerd or Die, and he's a very cool dude, really knows exactly what he's doing. So I really recommend this website. It is the best resource online for live streamers out there. Okay, second best resource online is twitchoverlay.com, and as the domain name suggests, it's just overlays. And you have premium overlays, but you also have a bunch of free overlays, a lot of them. And I really like those because although they can be very simple, they're very stylized. So if you're looking something more typical, something that really fits your video game, twitchoverlay.com is really good. Plus they have a large collection of free, completely free overlay packs, which is so good. So twitchoverlay.com is my second best. Okay, the third best has to be twitchtemple.com. I believe they work with Nerd or Die because they have like similar products, but this is mostly for the premium products. They have a couple of free Twitch overlays, but honestly, their premium products are just worth the money. They're very cool. On top of that, everything is very diverse. You have alerts, different alerts, you have alert sounds, logo templates. It's just high quality stuff. So if you're really looking to spend a little bit of money but get very high quality products, I really recommend twitchtemple.com. Look at that, look at those logo templates, they're just epic. Oh, one thing that is pretty awesome is that if you own a Stream Deck, they have the free key icon pack, which is awesome. So basically, if you want to customize your icons on your Stream Deck, they got you covered for absolutely free. Okay, next one is going to be wdflat.com. Now they have a couple of packs, most of them are completely free. One thing to note is that they will ask you to follow them on Twitter or something like that in order to get the packs. Wait, you have to subscribe. Basically, it's kind of you have to subscribe to a certain social media to download certain packs. But other than that, they have a very diverse collection. They keep bothering me for the ad blocker, but I'm not gonna disable it because I'm making a video. I can have ads show up. And those are super cool, especially like those alerts. They have very customized designs, and they're just very cool stuff for very low prices or just free. All right, the next one is going to be overlayer.net. So overlayer.net, and this one is pretty cool because it's basically an overlay builder. You can really build your own overlay, and it's highly customizable. I've never tried it myself, so I'd recommend, like, I can't really give you a review, but I've heard only good things about it, which is pretty cool. And from what I see from the demonstrations, it looks pretty decent. You know, it really shows that you can customize every single overlay that you want in great detail, so that's awesome. Okay, now next one is also an overlay builder. You have to be logged in for this to work, but it's basically it's kind of like Overlayer, but let me skip this. But yeah, they have pre-made overlays, and then on top of that, they have a couple of them that you can customize yourself, and they're very awesome because, like, you can already change the colors right straight from the website, and it's cool. It's pretty cool. Okay, now last but not least, this is my own page where I do my design, where I publish my design. This is gumroad.com/GaelLevel. If you watch the channel, you've heard this a lot of times. Basically what I do is sometimes I will create a pack and I will put it up either for free or for very, very cheap. So far, most of the prices are 99 cents or just completely free. I really like doing those description panels. Those are always free. But the mega packs, I have the Destiny mega pack right now, which is like the most popular one. It's completely free and has so many things in it. Let me click on it so we can see. So yeah, the Destiny 2 mega pack includes 4 starting soon screens, 3 short break screens, so those are the be right back intermission screens, 3 intermission screens, so if you want to have your webcam and stuff like that and still have the gameplay in the middle if you're switching games or if you're switching server, 2 offline screens, so those are 2 different offline screens, 2 stream ending screens, 4 avatars. That means you can just either write your name on those. They're like customizable. You can just write your name or just put a picture of yourself in there. 3 webcam overlays, 1 banner, 1 event bar, and 15 bio panels. Like those are the description panels. So this one is completely free. I really advise you. The whole thing is like 36 megabytes. Completely free. Gumroad.com/GaelLevel. I have the Stranger Things animated. I'm trying to get more animated stuff. I have the Overwatch animated pack, and I'm gonna keep uploading them. So yeah, this is my shameless plug, I guess, but I really do believe I have some cool stuff. If you guys want to use it, feel free to do so. Anyways, that's pretty much it for me. Okay, something that I really want to stress is that, for example, Nerderdie or Twitch Temple, most of those websites are run by single people, not single as in like they're not in a couple, like single, like just one person is running the whole website and bringing all those awesome designs. So if you really want to support them, I really advise, sometimes they have like a free version of a product and they have the paid version. Usually the difference is like the paid version is animated or is more customizable. It is absolutely worth it. Not only the product is great compared to what you would get if you were to contract a graphic designer. I know, because I am a freelance graphic designer. But on top of that, you're actually supporting the person running the website. And I cannot stress this enough. Please, if you have the money, buy the products, okay? Other than that, if you really don't have the money and if you really can't support, or if you really don't want to, no one's gonna force you, okay? They have the free products are there to download. Just download them and use them. I do not want to hear excuses from you guys. So many times like, oh, I would like my stream to look good, but I don't have any money. That's an excuse. That's you lying to me and to yourself at the same time. Your stream can absolutely look good without spending a dime. So no more excuses. This was the top best free resources online for live streamers. I will see you guys next time. Follow me on Twitch at twitch.tv/GaelLevel, and GaelLevel out.